In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see cookies in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You'll see the familiar browser interface with a clean layout. Look for the three dots in the top right corner. This icon represents settings and more. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu filled with various options. This is your gateway to accessing different settings in Edge. You might notice options like New Tab, History, and Downloads. Selecting the right option is essential for navigating through the browser efficiently. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you click it, a new page will appear, featuring several categories on the left sidebar. This page is where you can customize your browser to fit your preferences. You can adjust settings related to privacy, appearance, and more. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings because they allow you to enhance your browsing experience. From there, in the left sidebar, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is crucial as it contains settings that help manage your data and how you interact with websites. You will see various options related to privacy and security. This is where you can control how Microsoft Edge handles your information. Understanding these settings helps you maintain a more secure online presence. Now scroll down to the Cookies and Site Permissions section. Here you'll find options that allow you to manage how cookies are handled by your browser. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on your device that help websites remember your preferences. Being aware of this section is essential as it gives you control over your privacy and the data stored by different websites. Next, click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. This action takes you to a new page where you can see your cookie settings in detail. You will notice options for blocking third-party cookies and managing exceptions. This is significant because it allows you to customize which websites can store cookies on your device. Having this control helps protect your privacy while enabling a smoother browsing experience. After that, click on See All Cookies and Site Data. This step opens a page displaying a comprehensive list of all the cookies stored in your browser. You will be able to see which sites have stored cookies and how much data each site has. This information is crucial for understanding what data is being collected from your browsing activities. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your online privacy. At this point, you can analyze the cookies stored by different websites. You may find cookies from sites you frequently visit, which is common. You can also see cookies from sites you might not recognize. This step is important because it allows you to identify potential privacy concerns. If you see any cookies that seem suspicious, you can choose to delete them. To remove a cookie, simply click on the trash can icon next to the specific entry. This action ensures that unwanted data is cleared from your browser. You will notice that the cookie is removed immediately. This little step saves you a lot of time later by keeping your browser free from unnecessary data. Once you have reviewed and managed your cookies, you can close the Settings tab. This makes sure your changes are saved and you return to your regular browsing. Taking control of your cookies leads to a more private and efficient online experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Now you know how to see cookies in Microsoft Edge.